Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to cancel your Meshy AI subscription. Okay, so all official steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to log in into your account and you need to click on your profile icon and you need to click on like settings, and once you click on settings you will see this window, this kind of window, and you can click on subscription option over here. You can select billing option also, and you can see my subscription plan. There is my plan like free plan, and if you have any kind of subscription you can cancel your subscription over here, and you can also use usage details and how many credits I have used till now, so you can see each and everything over here. Okay, and you can also cancel your subscription very easily on this window. Okay, and you will see there is an option like upgrade. You can also see like there is an option like cancel. Okay, so that's it, you can cancel your subscription. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and if you have any questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.